In today's video you will listen a conversation between two loved ones. Listen carefully and try to speak it with your loved one. Welcome to my channel. My name is Musfirah. If you want to learn English from beginning in a simple way, then make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's get started. Hey, Jamie, how was your day? Hi, Alex, sweetheart. It was good, but super busy. I had back-to-back meetings all day. How about you? Busy too, but I managed to finish that big project I'd been working on. I'm so relieved. That's amazing. I knew you'd get it done. We should celebrate tonight. I'd love that. How about we order from that new Italian place we've been wanting to try? Perfect. I'll look up the menu and we can decide what to get. Sounds great. I can't wait to just relax with you tonight in a dinner. Me too. I've missed you today. I've missed you too. Let's go for the dinner. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons, and comment below with any questions.